Hi guys, good morning. Today, my friend put me up to a challenge to do a 5-kilometer walk in Karura forest. Karura forest ni
15-kilometer walk.
Oh, 15, sorry, yeah, 15-kilometer walk. Na venye tunatembea, tunafeel kama tumetembea for long na like tumemaliza only 2 kilometers. But the weather is nice, it's cool. Like it's good for walking, na si kutembea haraka. But yeah, if you want, kuna watu wana ride bike, you can ride bike. Like for Karura, like you can ride the bike, you can do those things, you can run. And that is my friend. He's called Brian. Guys, you know stories about Brian. This one is not different. So these are the routes. Sisi tuna follow ya green. So sisi tunaenda hivi. Wenye wanaenda 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers wanaenda huko. Sisi wenye tumejiamini na 15 kilometers tunaenda hivi. So see you in the walk. Let's continue walking. As in kuna baridi hadi the water I've carried warm water. But venye kunaenda, I'm feeling after like tukifuko katikati, my water might even get cold. And there kuna like 2 mini waterfalls. Kuna hiyo huko down. So yeah. See you. Enjoy video probably itapostika hata labda September. Itapostika September. We've made it to the other side. Like Karura has 2 sides. Ile side ingine ni Limuru Road.
Yeah, Limuru Road. This is Getsi Kiambu Road.
So we've made it to Getsi Kiambu Road. I think we are halfway. I am thinking. But so far, so good. Na bado ninasikia si baridi mbaya, but pia si feel joto. Like I can continue using my sweater. My jumper.
So far we've done 5 kilometers. So
tumemaliza 5 kilometers. 10 more kilometers to go, guys. But it's side ingine. I think pia unaweza anza hii side ingine ya hapa umalizie huko, si ndio? Na you finish the other side where we started. We have finished. Hey, nasi just wet. Hey, sijui kama niseme props to me. But we have finished the hike, guys. It's been a lovely hike, as you can. Like you can ride the bike the whole way. See ati kuna mamawe or in, but like it's a nice path also for you to ride bicycles. Maybe if you come with a child na haezi kutembea yoyote, pia unaweza kuja kucheza tennis. Kama nina advertise Karura. But anyway, we are happy. We are done with the hike. Feel rejuvenated, energized, but naogopa tu naweza kuwa so. But you will know. You will know if that happens. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you on the next adventure. Take care. It's time now to go and eat, to now refill the energy that has gone.